car that was born from the vision of a racing legend, crafted with the sole purpose of dominating the streets and the track. The sheer force of untamed American muscle is embodied in a machine that was never meant to be subtle. The 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 449, a vision of high-performance engineering. This beast was conceived to dominate, built to intimidate, and remains a symbol of pure automotive aggression. But does its legacy still hold the same unshakable power in the modern era? Before diving into its fascinating history, make sure to join our ever-growing community, where legendary machines are celebrated and automotive passion roars louder than ever. Ford's Boss series was already making waves in the late 60s, but the Boss 449 took things to an entirely new level. Intended as an elite performance variant, this Mustang was crafted to house an even larger and more powerful engine, setting it apart from its legendary sibling, the Boss 429. Under the hood, a monstrous 449 cubic inch big block V8 was designed to push boundaries, delivering a level of performance that was borderline untamed. While official ratings were often conservative in the era of insurance restrictions, real-world tests hinted at figures well beyond what was publicly acknowledged. To accommodate this powerhouse, extensive modifications were made to the Mustang's chassis and suspension. The front end was restructured, engine mounts were reworked, and the weight distribution was carefully adjusted to ensure that all that raw horsepower could be harnessed with precision. The result was not just brute strength, but a muscle car with balance, designed to carve roads as effectively as it dominated drag strips. Inside, the Boss 449 followed the blueprint of high-performance Mustangs of the era, offering a driver-focused cockpit with bucket seats, a Hurst shifter, and a race-ready tachometer. Stripped of unnecessary frills, the cabin was all about purpose, reinforcing the fact that this machine was built for those who understood its unfiltered power. Today, surviving examples of the Boss 449 are among the rarest and most sought-after Ford muscle cars ever produced, with auction prices skyrocketing. Fully restored, and numbers-matching models fetch well into six figures, cementing their status as automotive legends. Whether original or resto-mod, the presence of a Boss 449 in any collection signifies a true appreciation for high-performance history. Decades later, this Mustang still commands respect. But does it stand as the ultimate performance machine of its time? Or have newer challengers claimed the throne? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into automotive icons that refuse to be forgotten.